Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shifali. In a dramatic legal twist, the Supreme Court has issued notices to Team India pacer Mohammad Shami and the West Bengal government after the cricketer's stranded wife Hassan Jahan approached the top court seeking an increase in her monthly alimony. Jahan argued that the 4 lakh rupees she currently receives for herself and her daughter is insufficient, given Shami's high-profile lifestyle and substantial earnings.
शमी अहमद का जो स्टेटस है, जो अर्निंग है, जो लाइफस्टाइल वो लीड करता है, उस हिसाब से ये 4 लाख कम है और हमने 10 लाख का डिमांड किया था, वो भी 7 साल 4 महीने पहले। तो अब उस हिसाब से महंगाई अभी बढ़ गई है, तो कैविट के लिए हम लोग जाएंगे इंशाल्लाह।
The case took an interesting turn when the bench of Justice Manoj Mishra and Ujjwal Bhuyan expressed surprise at the demand, observing that 4 lakh rupee per month seemed a quite handsome amount. The court said it would be open to meditation, but has nothing left issued formal notices to both Shami and the state government, posting the matter for hearing after 4 weeks. Hassan Jahan, represented by senior advocate Shobha Gupta and advocate Sri Ram Prakat, claimed that Shami's actual income was far higher than reflected in the existing alimony order. She told the court that the star cricketer earns over 1.8 crore per month and has an estimated net worth of nearly 500 crore rupee. The petition alleged that Shami was deliberately manipulating the legal process to avoid paying a fair maintenance amount. According to the petition, Jahan has been unemployed since her marriage in 2014 and lacks any independent source of income to support herself and her daughter, who was born in 2015. Earlier, the Calcutta High Court has fixed the maintenance at 1.5 lakh rupee for Jahan and 2.5 lakh rupee for her daughter, a decision later upheld by a division bench in August. Dissatisfied, Jahan moved the Supreme Court seeking an upward revision. The bench's response, however, was sharp and unexpected. One of the judges reportedly remarked, "Why have you filed this? Isn't 4 lakh rupee per month quite handsome?" The court initiated that it may consider facilitating a settlement between the parties if both sides are open to mediation.
मेरा जो प्रोफेशन था शमी अहमद से शादी करने से पहले, वो मॉडलिंग और एक्टिंग की थी और मैं एक जॉब भी करती थी, तो उस टाइम मेरे लिए इनफ था। लेकिन शादी के बाद शमी अहमद ने बाय फोर्स बोलिए मुझसे मेरे सारे प्रोफेशन से छुटवा दिया था कि मैं कोई प्रोफेशन में नहीं रह सकती, मैं कोई काम नहीं कर सकती, मैं हाउसवाइफ की ही ज़िंदगी जीऊँगी। तो मैं शमी अहमद से इतनी मोहब्बत करती थी, या अपने संसार में या अपने बच्चे में मुझे रहना भी अच्छा लगता था, तो मैंने खुशी खुशी इस चीज़ को मैंने एक्सेप्ट किया था। लेकिन उसके बाद से तो मैं अभी हाउसवाइफ ही हूँ, तो उस हिसाब से मेरी खुद की कोई अर्निंग नहीं है। तो अभी हमारा भरण पोषण का सारा जिम्मेदारी शमी अहमद को उठाना ही पड़ेगा। लेकिन इस चीज़ के लिए उसने डिनाई किया, तो हमें कोर्ट का दरवाज़ा खटखटाना पड़ा। और कोई इंसान अगर खुद की जिम्मेदारी ना उठाए तो शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कि हमारे देश में कानून है, कानून उसे ऑर्डर देगा कि अपनी जिम्मेदारी उठाओ।
The legal battle is the latest chapter in the long and bitter separation between the couple. Hassan Jahan and Mohammad Shami tied the knot in 2014, but the relationship soared in 2018 after Jahan accused the cricketer of domestic violence and harassment. Since then, the two have locked in protracted divorce and maintenance dispute. The Supreme Court's notice signals a fresh round of legal confrontation, and once again, the spotlight is back on one of the India's cricketers' top bowler for reasons off the pitch. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera. Download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.